Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your Affirm virtual card to Apple Pay. Now don't forget to hit that like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you are updated whenever we upload a new video. Stick until the very end so you don't miss a single detail. Now all of the step-by-step guide is actually right here where we can go ahead and follow them. So all you need to do is to just go ahead and open up the Affirm app. So if you don't already have the app, make sure that you have installed it and you have connected or logged into your Affirm account. Now once that you have opened the Affirm app, then just go ahead and select the card tab and then tap the settings gear icon in the top right, where you should be able to go ahead and click on add or tap add to Apple Pay. Now if you're unable to go ahead and see the app right here, then this means that your Affirm app needs to be updated. So make sure that you are on the latest version of your Affirm app to be able to go ahead and add your Affirm virtual card to Apple Pay. And there you go. I hope that you have found this tutorial useful. See you guys next time.